Hello everyone, how are you today? I am so excited to be back with you and to share with you a quick flip through of the first few days of February in my album. So I started off by creating a title page here with some of the hot pockets from January, as well as the love card from the story play kit, this nice scalloped border from the Savor kit this month, and then this vellum sheet with the beautiful red florals, which was in a seasonal pack, which is replacing the papers from the Stories by the Month kit. And then I move on to this spread. I used these speech bubbles from the February kit, and I added in on this side. I stamped it and embossed this bit here for our story. This is one of these stamps. I just placed it in here and it's just hovering, and I also just stamped this with February 2024 in a series of different colors. Then I moved on here and I used one of the journal cards from February with just some hovering hearts and some journaling, keeping it quite simple and uniform. And I also love having white borders around my photos. For this spread, I love how it came together because it's quite minimalist with the green and just kind of monotone with the greens and blacks, and I really love how this came out. And then I used the green here and I was gonna leave it blank, but then I found this card because I was looking for a piece of vellum to add to this photo, and I liked how it looked, so I said I might as well use it, adding it in. And then I use this vellum here that says say no, and I would use this say yes for some other photos that will come after today. And then I have this here with a little tab from a previous kit, and I use the February card here just so that I won't forget to use it this month. So thank you so much for joining me for this quick flip through of my pages so far for the first few days of February. This is up to last week's Sunday actually, so then I will continue on during this week. I will work on the pages for the past few days. So thank you so much for joining me here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.